ગણપતये નમઃ. ઇંગ્લિશ સેન્ટેન્સીસ બરાબર આપણે ઘણું બધું શીખા. આપણે અહીંયા લઈશું ઇન, ઓન, નિયર, અંડર, બિટવીન. જ્યારે અમુક આપણને એવા વર્ડ્સ આવડી જાય ને તો એનાથી વાક્ય બનાવતા આવડે, અને વાક્ય બનાવતા આવડે તો પેરેગ્રાફ બનાવતા આવડે, અને તમે બીજા સાથે ઇંગ્લિશમાં વાતચીત કરી પણ શકો, લખી પણ શકો. અને જ્યારે આપણે પેપરમાં કે એકમ કસોટીમાં પૂછાય કે ગુજરાતી વાક્યનો અનુવાદ અંગ્રેજીમાં કરો તો તમે તેને સરળતાથી કરી શકો. તો પેલું છે ઇન એટલે અંદર, બરાબર. માય પર્સ ઇઝ ઇન ધ ક્લાસરૂમ. The students is in the classroom. Sentences.
My TV is in the home. My chair is in the home. The fan is in the classroom. Purse is
In the
table classroom. The smart board in the office
is in the
office.
office. સરસ. બરાબર. ઇન એટલે અંદર, જે વસ્તુ ક્લાસની અંદર હોઈ શકે, હોમની અંદર હોઈ શકે, મંદિરની અંદર. The board is in the temple. The board is in the temple. બરાબર ને? એ રીતે તમે વાક્ય બનાવી શકો. ઓન એટલે ઉપર. My purse is on the table.
The book is on the bench. The bird is on the tree.
સરસ.
The bottle is on the table. The table is on the book.
નહીં, my book is on the bench.
My book is on the bench. My purse is on the table.
Yeah. My book is on the
My book is on the bench.
સરસ. રેડી. પછી
My pen is on the bench.
સરસ.
My compass box is on the bench. My eraser on the bench. My pencil is on the bench. My pen is on the bench.
ઓન એટલે ઉપર, બરાબર. જે વસ્તુ
My book is on the table.
સરસ. વેરી ગુડ. નિયર એટલે જે વસ્તુ નજીક છે, બરાબર ને? જે નજીક છે. My purse is near the book. My car is near the tree. Near, નજીક. Yes.
My book is near the table. The bag is near the temple. My book is near the cupboard. My book is near the bench. My table is near the smartboard. My pen is near the book. My bench is near the table. My temple is near the window. My chair is near the smartboard.
Smartboard.
My bench is near the cupboard.
The beggar is near the
Temple.
the beggar, ભિખારી. એ હંમેશા મંદિરથી નજીક. The beggar is near the temple. Under એટલે નીચે, બરાબર. My car પેલી છે. My car is under the tree. My car is under the tree.
My water bottle is on the bench. Under the bench. My teddy bear is under the chair. My compass box is under the bench. My bag is under the table. My bench is under the bag.
Wall એટલે દીવાલ. દીવાલની નીચે છે.
My pen is under the bench.
The bird is near the under the tree. બરાબર ને? Under the tree. Under એટલે નીચે. Between એટલે એનો અર્થ થાય વચ્ચે. The love is between the Sahil and Purvi.
My book is between the class compass box and scale. My compass box between table and chair. My school is between the home and temple. My book is between the pen
and book.
My smartboard is between window
And door.
door.
Between વચ્ચે.
My between teacher.
My teacher is between Rahul and Puri. Well, my school is between home and temple. Between
My purse is between book
and
and
chair.
chair.
સરસ, ખૂબ સરસ.